Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off automatically download manufacturer's app and icons on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off automatically download manufacturer's app and icons on Windows 11 computer, go to search. In search, type Advanced System Settings. View Advanced System Settings. Click on it. In System Properties, click on Hardware tab. Here you will find an option Device Installation Settings. Just click on Device Installation Settings icon. Here you will find do you want to automatically download manufacturer's apps and custom icons available for your device. By default, yes is selected. Just click on no and now click on save settings. Now automatically download manufacturer's apps and icons on Windows 11 computer is turned off. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.